welcome to the Rosario Islands. Why not? So as with all things tech, I have had a bit of a glitch with my SD card and it said SD card error. So I lost the footage from the morning, which I am really gutted about. So I'm going to kind of put things together a little bit for you so that you can see the Pablo Escobar plane that I dove down onto and the snorkeling that I did with the coral reef. And I'm hoping that between my phone and other things that I've got that I can kind of show you a little bit more of what happened in the day. But basically the gist of the day is I was texted at 6 o'clock in the morning to walk across town to sit in a really hot basement for quite a long time waiting for my bus to take me to my boat, which then I very nearly missed because they had the wrong person. And then after a whole adventure of getting there, it was a 45-minute speedboat that took us out to the Rosario Islands to start off, and from there we were able to jump in the water and do some diving and some snorkeling, and it was brilliant. It was busy, but it was nice, and it was like the first taste of paradise that I was able to see. And then from there it was back in the boat. It was an open bar, but I don't drink beer, so that was a bit of a problem. And then we headed over to Chalon, which is where the footage then picks up. It was a party island. Not my favourite, I have to say, but there we go with it. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to show you the rest of the journey. This is my view, and I've got about 4 hours here before I go and do the plankton and then a bus back. Just had lunch, it was very nice. Good day, good day. Is our little strip. They're all my peoples, and our umbrellas are free on here. I think you can see it goes all the way down and all the way so far down there, as you can see. And then this is me back in the sea again. I think I could waste 4 hours here. So nice. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, the top of the falls. mention how much this cost. This cost me 320,000. I think I got that right. I booked it in the neighbourhood, so the one in my hostel was actually more expensive than this one. And we got the tour to all the different islands. Sorry, I'm distracted very well. And I've had a couple of drinks. It was an open bar, but I don't drink alcohol very often. Don't drink beer, definitely don't. So that was a little bit limited. And then I got fruit on the islands. I've had my lunch included. When I was at Sean, which was the party island, you could buy pretty much anything you wanted. But the family that I was staying with, they got the same meal that we had for lunch, 2 cocktails and 2 bottles of water, and it's costing just shy of £70 for the translation. So yeah, that was expensive. I'm just waiting now for the sunset time, which I just can't wait for, actually. I can never decide between a sunrise and a sunset, but I feel like this today was just sweet. I'm going to go swim with the plankton, so it's supposed to be bioluminescent. Not sure how much of that we're going to see because you never do with these things. And then it's a bus ride, possibly quite a long bus ride, back to town. So they picked me up this morning with a walking tour, everything's been included. So not bad, definitely glad I've done this.
Is that my son? Is that Elliot? You see it? I don't know how much you can see, but as we move, the plankton glows.
Delby!
Okay, look at that and move your arms.
Delby, te
Don't
tiraste.
drift too far from the boat.
Delby!
There's lightning over there. Okay, we got the wind, baby. It's just dark, you know. Woo!
I'm going to say thank you very much for joining me here, and I will pick this up again in the morning